Hello, and welcome to Resilience Inc. We're so happy to have you as part of the team. By now, you have hopefully learned a little bit more about us, how we started, and our mission. We will not stop until SEL is taught, trained, and tested at every school in the country. At Resilience, our biggest hope is that we will be able to prevent violence in our schools by teaching kids to manage their emotions through Selena. Here in the Strategy and Planning Department, everything we do is in an effort to expand resilience and to have all the people, process, and technology in place in order to grow in a successful manner. In order to do this, we focus on two main components. First, we must constantly check in with other departments to make sure the entire company is running smoothly. If one department is facing a struggle that might be holding them back from completing a project, it is our job to provide the support needed in order to fix this issue and continue working towards our goals. Secondly, in the Strategy and Planning Department, we work closely together in order to create our own goals and strategies for how we can grow our staff, operate more efficiently, and expand our outreach so we can serve 60 million K-12 students across the country. Once you have access to the Drive, you will see in the Strategy and Planning section all the different folders that currently exist. The Business Plan folder consists of our business plan, which provides a more in-depth view of the company history, products, finances, management, and much more. The Disaster Readiness Plan folder outlines what disasters pose the biggest threat to our organization and the actions we must take before, during, and after to prevent any significant damage to the company. The organization chart folder breaks down the different people involved with the organization, from the board of directors all the way down to each individual team in all 12 departments. Finally, there is our business continuity plan and our volunteer scaling plan, which each write out broad goals in regards to growing resilience. While these folders may be subject to change or updated during your time here, it is important we familiarize ourselves with every aspect that currently makes up the Strategy and Planning Department. In order to remain on task and work in the most efficient way possible, we will have at least one weekly team meeting. In these meetings, we may go over a number of things, such as talking about the current strategies and goals of each department and brainstorming ways to help fulfill these goals. We will also go over current long-term goals that the Strategy and Planning Department have set for resilience as a whole, and brainstorm to figure out if we are on track to achieve these goals. Let's go over one quick tip. Make sure to create a new project plan every time you are assigned a new project and update it along with your action plan after every meeting. A project plan template can be found in the action plan folder within the self-governance and compliance folder. Thank you again for coming on board, and we look forward to your involvement in helping us reach our goals.